Yeah, there has been a special meeting that has been just held by the Finance Minister Arun Jaitley with senior Congress leaders on the GST. Now, the big question is whether the BJP, the Finance Minister, the government have been able to convince the Congress to let the GST pass when it really comes along for talks in the monsoon session of Parliament. Let's actually just go across now to my colleague Rahul Srivastava for more on this. Rahul, what is the latest that you're hearing? Because now the meeting is over, but what we are hearing, like you reported a short while back, is that there will be a second meeting to follow up on this.
Amitoj, what one can say is that after a period where one could see that there was a kind of breakdown in the relationship between the government and the opposition, finally they are talking GST. Over the last few months, we saw that every time there was a parliament session, be it the National Herald case or the Augusta Westland scandal, because of them there was a climate between the two in which talks on a crucial bill like GST, which is a one bill for one tax for all India, could not be taken up, and it was seemed that the GST bill was doomed the way the land acquisition bill was. But in a clear outreach, both the sides, it seems, are putting on a show of flexibility. After preliminary talks, which are informal talks, today were the first informal talks between the government, led by Arun Jaitley, the Finance Minister, Parliamentary Affairs Minister, Mr. Anand Kumar, Leader of Opposition, Mr. Ghulam Nabi Azad, and his Deputy, Mr. Anand Sharma from the Congress. And the meeting took place in Mr. Ghulam Nabi Azad's office. It's a very clear sign that the government is indicating that it is going an extra mile to get the Congress on board, which is a departure from what the government was indicating right after the recent Rajya Sabha elections, when it completed 2 years in power, that be with Congress or without Congress, the government is exploring options of passing the GST bills, as the government numbers had gone up and the Congress numbers had gone down. Now it seems that they are trying to create a consensus. This is exactly what the Finance Minister told us, that the attempt is to create a consensus. We have exchanged our views on all issues, and we will go back to our respective parties and meet again sometime during the session. What does it really mean? Because Mr. Ghulam Nabi Azad echoed exactly the same words, that there are issues on which the two have to come together. They are still not on the same page, but they are ready to discuss. Congress has been indicating over the last 1 year that there are 3 important points that it will want to be changed as far as changes in the bill are concerned. 1% tax for the manufacturing states, which will lose revenue, strengthening the governing council and the dispute redressal mechanism, and putting the GST cap in the constitutional amendment. The government has displayed flexibility. It is conveying that it is ready to accept 2. The third will be a very difficult issue, because that will mean each time you want to change the GST cap, one has to go through the constitutional amendment route. Now, how exactly all these things will be carried out? What will be the changes? These are modalities which the government and the Congress will have to work out. And I think the brightest sign for those who have been waiting for GST is that the two sides are talking.